Let's do some applications with ratios or rates. In a student government election, 4,000 students cast a vote for the incumbent, 700 students voted for the opponent, and 300 students cast a protest vote. What was the ratio of incumbents' votes to total votes? So we want the ratio, which is a fraction. Ratios are always fractions, of incumbent vote to total vote. I like to write things out so I don't make silly mistakes. Well, what is the incumbent vote? The incumbent vote is exactly 4,000. But what is the total vote? Well, we had people who voted for the incumbent. We had people that voted for the opponent, and we had people that protested. All those make up the total vote. So I think 4,000 plus 700 plus 300 gives me a total vote of 5,000. We want to, according to the directions, we want to have a simplified fraction, so we're going to divide by 1,000. So the ratio in its simplest format is 4 to 5. Let's look at this problem. A lot of students make a mistake in picking the wrong choice, A or B. They don't know how to divide, what division means. The problem says definition is loss ratio is equal to losses paid divided by premiums collected. Okay, what were the losses paid? They were 6,100,000. Big number. And the collected premiums were 12,472,000. And we need to divide this out. We need to divide it out and round to the nearest hundredth. Well, just to make life a little easier, I'm going to divide by 1,000. So knocking out 3 zeros here and 3 zeros there. So I'm going to divide 6,100 by 12,472, just a little simpler so I don't mess up on the zeros. And when I put it into the calculator, it's giving me an answer of about 0.4890, etc. Okay. And if I round it to the nearest hundredth, that's where the 8 is, it's going to be approximately 0.49. Now, is it 0.49 to 1, or is it 1 to 0.49? Let's go take a side example. 6 divided by 2, it's 3. Or another way of saying 3 is 3 to 1. So I think when we divide these two numbers out, this answer 0.49 is 0.49 to 1. The next problem. The cartridge yield of a computer printer is the number of pages that it will print before the toner runs out. A cartridge that sells for $71.11 has a yield of 3,000 pages. What is the cost per page of printing? Cost per page. Basically, we're asking for the unit pricing. What is the unit cost per page? So cost per page is total cost divided by quantity of pages. The total cost is $71.11. The total quantity of pages is 3,000. Again, we're going to use our calculator to divide out. I'm getting an answer of 0.0237, but we need to round it to the nearest cent. What do we mean by cent? Is that one place, two places, three places? nearest cent is actually 2 places. So if we round to the hundredths place, or the nearest cent, the approximate answer is 0.02.